G'day guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on my latest project, just in case anything goes wrong with it. So here's a carry-on luggage case to go on the plane, and inside, you'll have to excuse the dodgy camera work, is a Travelquad. So this is based on the Anycopter by Flitetest, although I've cut all my own bits of wood. If I can sit that there. So you can see the general Anycopter design. I've got the rotor bones legs, although yeah, two broke, I'll get to that, but they still work fine. And the Anycopter, these are taken straight off the Anycopter plans, but I've cut my own bits, so I haven't drilled all the holes in. The only real modifications I made was the little extra tab at the front here to hang the GoPro on, which actually works really well at stopping jello. I would have thought, like, if you look at that, that's a little bit flexible there. I don't know if you can see the whole quad moves around, but if I hold it with the thing in the background, yeah, you can see there's quite a bit of flex. I thought that'd make extra jello, but it's actually excellent at keeping away jello. And in the battery plate down the bottom here, my battery plate, I cut an extra sort of tab hanging out the back here to put the battery further back. But apart from that, this is all exactly Anycopter dimensions, only the legs are shorter to fit it in. It's got 8-inch props. The legs were as short as I could make them, to have the props still, or they'd slightly go over the camera, but they clear the main part of the body there. That was really the size that sort of worked. KK board and everything in the middle here in a little plastic container, because Indonesia gets humid and I don't want sort of humidity getting to the KK board and doing dodgy things. That's really it, yeah. GoPro down the bottom there in a little case. The actual original GoPro waterproof case was too tall, so you can see that is like pretty much the same height as the legs. If I get this leg on here, that's like only just a couple of mils clearance there, and the original GoPro case came down so that it landed on the case instead. But anyway, yeah, there's my quadcopter. So I did have anyway, yep, I won't go into too much detail. We can do a build video on it later or something, I guess, but you know, it's based on the Anycopter, so just make an Anycopter with short legs. And then in the top half here, we've got remote control, batteries, ground station battery, ground station. I eventually put this with the antenna up there, hoping to have it sit like at 90 degrees like that, so that way the antenna would be vertical sitting in the case, but I'm going to need to put some sort of bar or something in to hold it up, and that's not going to happen before we leave, so c'est la vie. But that's the cable for the goggles, so I just need to pull the cable out and just connect that, and there's the ground station set up with the goggles. Oh, headphones, actually. I haven't put any headphones in yet. There's one last thing that needs to be done. That's about it, yeah. Power brick for the charger, power cable, and little charging cable, balance cable. I've got a toolkit, but I'm going to pack that in my checked luggage because of screwdrivers and stuff. I don't want to take the chance on them being confiscated on the plane. But wish me luck. Hopefully I still have all of this in my possession when we get back from the holidays and none of it gets confiscated or anything. Yeah, hopefully we'll have some nice footage of Indonesia and Thailand when I get back. Okay, take care guys. Bye.